What is up, guys? I hope all of you are enjoying your weekends, and I'm here to provide you guys another update on BTC USD price action. So, as we have seen, and we have still got the same forecast as before, we're still waiting for a proper response from this demand zone because also we have calculated here that the 5 waves have already occurred here: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, what happened yesterday was actually quite interesting and actually is in our favor because, as we can see here, if we zoom in, might as well go to the 1 hourly, is as a fact we've had quite a response yesterday. Then we went all the way down and we swept liquidity, or some other you might call it a fake out, right on this low. It just swept briefly, then afterwards it went all the way up again. And what's even better is that after we swept the liquidity here, we can see that we actually made a higher high here from the previous high we made from this demand zone. That is a good indication that we're still going towards the price we have been expecting, and that is right here around 25,462 as a rough calculation. Now, as I've talked with you guys before, if you want to look for longs, I do not suggest it at all, but if you want to look for longs after we have crossed wave 4, wait for a correction, wait for at least, let's say, price goes all the way up to here before we see a correction. At least wait until price hits the 38.2 or the 50% Fibonacci, or even the 61.8, or even the last Fibonacci range. But do not buy once the correction only goes to 0.23, because it's a very small chance that price will aggressively retrace up bullish towards our designated zone over here. So that is for all the risk seekers out there. Now, nothing much has changed really. If we zoom in on the 15 minutes, we can sort of say, as a preliminary analysis, that this might be first subwave of a bigger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 could possibly end here before we see the correction. But this is just speculation for now. We might as well just draw it out for now. This could be 1, 2, excuse me. This could be a 1, 2, and this could be somewhere 3, 4, 5. The technical rule for Elliott wave is that wave 3 is 161.8 Fibonacci of wave 1. Thus, it's probably going to end somewhere here. Wave 3 could also have even smaller subwaves, so we could possibly say that this might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that would be the ending of wave 3. And then wave 5 could possibly end somewhere just across wave 4. But for now, this is just pure speculation, and only with a proper price action can we determine that this could have been wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. But that is just a extra confirmation for the people who are actually going to look for longs on this area right over here. For the rest of you, same advice, same suggestion. Wait until price gets over here, wait for a proper pullback, 50% Fibonacci, or any other strong zone that might occur in the process of going towards correction pattern A, B, C, D. Might be a demand zone here. If we've come all the way from here to D, then you could target it there, and we could see longs all the way up to, let's actually make a calculation, because we believe that this is the first wave of the bullish comeback, and then let's say price could end here or could end here. It's all about reading that price action once we've already made D, and now we're going to look for when E ends. Let's say, hypothetically speaking, it ends here, then as our technical rule is wave 3 is 161 times Fibonacci retracement of the first wave, and therefore it could end all the way up to this right here. This is just a rough estimation, so if everything goes to plan, we're gonna see a lot of opportunity to make a lot of percentage, and that could be around 44 or even higher if we go from here to our designated target, and that is a lot of percentage, guys. For now, I suggest sit on your hands, just be patient. Patient is always rewarding if we just wait for the confirmation mark for you guys who are willing to take the risk. And for the rest of you, sit on your hands, just wait, and then eventually once D is made, we're gonna look for E every single time there is some good price action going on and we have some good confirmation that E might have ended. Then we're going to hold for quite some time until we hit that zone over here. That is the price analysis update for BTC USD for now, guys. Tomorrow there will be more, or if today there's going to be a drastic change in price action, I will also provide an update for you guys. But for now, have a good one, take care, and enjoy the last day of your weekend.